Hello, everyone. We have tornado warnings out, like right now, and I'm hearing reports of a possibly big tornado down on the ground near Woodstock, Ohio. And I wouldn't be surprised that that's the case after looking at this and seeing rotation, really strong rotation, right over Woodstock. So Milford Center, Unionville Center, to get to shelter. It's gonna go near Columbus soon if it holds. Which is what I'm concerned about here with this. Hey, hey, Mark. Anyways, we still have this tornado warning in Milford Center, but it could be producing a big tornado. But we don't know what's going on here with this yet, so we're gonna have to wait. But, I mean, still a serious situation nonetheless. It's not rotating really much on the actual Wilmington radar, which is interesting. It is, apparently it is on the ground. It's a rain wrapped, it's a rain wrapped cone tornado, from what I'm so so this is probably on the ground now. So then this tornado warning probably will get upgraded soon to an observed tornado warning here in a minute. Also got a new store developing in the Dayton area. We'll watch that one too because that could be going in a this is going into environment favorable for potential tornadoes later on. So we'll watch that one. And let's see. Yeah. Let's check out this one going towards North Hampton. Hampton. No rotation on that. You got a new tornado warning now out now. They're seriously still warning that. I don't blame them. It's obviously probably still rotating right now, so now you see why they would. Yeah, Loudonville, Lexington, Belleville, Lucas, Fredericktown, Chesterville, Lexington, Danville are in the warning. We now have 3 tornado warnings currently in effect. The new tornado warning that just came out goes until 4:15, so that tornado warning is gonna be out for a little bit. Let's look at this from a different radar. Let's go to site select. Let's go down. So look at this radar here. So it shows rotation, very close to Milford Center. So that's where this is right now, and Unionville Center as well. Areas that could get affected by this if it does continue would be Milford Center, Plain City, Shawnee Hills, Dublin, Powell, Woodward, Leah, Wilmington, Minerva Park, Westerville, and Hoover Ridge. If you're in those areas, get ready to take cover. Um, There is an area of rotation showed up with this, from what I'm looking at here through the velocity product here. Unionville Center, this is very close to you right now. It might still be on the ground, I can't say. But I can tell you it is a rotating thunderstorm and it is tornado warned. Let's see how that other tornado warned cell is doing up over Lexington area in Ohio. There's two areas of rotation on that one. It's not on the ground, but it is rotating, that's for sure. Up there. It's still going right now with rotation there. Let's go back and check on this other storm here. This other tornado cell. So here's where I'm talking about rotation. Right over Lexington is where the rotation would be, and it's going towards let's see. It's moving east at 50 miles per hour. That's kind of fast moving. So if you're in Belleville, Fredericktown, Butler, Loudonville, Danville, Shreve, Millersburg, Brewster, Sugar Creek Beach City, get prepared for the storm to hit you. Which is currently a tornado warning. And if you're in a tornado warning, I would take cover as well. This is a first warning issued for parts of Columbus, the Columbus metro area. Tornado warning also canceled for that one. So all I'm gonna do is take the tornado warning count down to 2. I'm gonna say reissue another one very shortly for it, but they're not doing that just yet. Um, check it back on the velocity on this storm, still producing a little bit of rotation, and now head up into Lucas area and possibly Loudonville within the next couple of minutes. If this is a producing a tornado, it probably is producing very strong winds at the very least. We also got this supercell watch I'm looking at here, over Lodi and Gloria Glens Park. Um, if that, if this one holds, then it will go off towards, Medina, Broadview Heights, Brecksville, Macedonia, Bedford, Twinsburg, Bedford Heights, so on, Aurora and Pepper Pike. Um, within the next 5 minutes to 5 minutes to 50 minutes or so. So it's getting So it probably will hold, but and have the threat of strong damaging winds and hail. But I will be watching it because it could start rotating as well and produce a tornado soon. But hopefully not. We don't want it to do that. So, checking back on the severe storm heading up into Columbus, parts of Columbus, and yeah, it's mainly I'm looking at just some strong wind and maybe some rotation near Plain City and Unionville Center now. So that's something to watch closely. The tornado warning does continue on this one though, and it's still radar indicated, and it's still moving east at 50 miles per hour as of the current speed of this storm here. We do have some strong signs of rotation near Catawba, in Ohio. That's going to be something to watch as well. Give me a second. But yeah, that's some rotation showing up over Catawba that we're gonna have to watch. That could be our next tornado warning right here. In Ohio, that this could be our next one that goes tornado warned because there's an area of rotation that's showing up on it. So that's another one we're watching because this will also go into parts of Columbus as well. So and then we gotta watch this storm because this could also develop into something as well. And it's also a supercell right here, going right over Xenia right now, but not producing any tornadoes at right now. But it is producing heavy rainfall and some maybe 30 mile per hour winds at the current moment. But we'll monitor that one closely. Latest velocity scan still shows the rotation a little weaker on the recent scan, so that's a good thing there to see that. Still looking at this tornado warning cell down in the Lucas area in Ohio. Still producing strong winds and heavy rainfall and frequent cloud ground lightning. But I do see a little rotation, but it's not like producing a tornado at the moment. But it is tornado warned, so I would get your shelter there. We also got the severe weather threat to talk about tomorrow. We got a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale from the Storm Prediction Center enhanced risk tomorrow. That includes places like Paducah, Mayfield, Hopkinsville, Madisonville, Evansville, Mount Vernon, St. Louis. It's for parts of Tennessee, Missouri, Arkansas, Kentucky, and Illinois, and a silver of Indiana, it looks like. With the stars getting bigger than that, including Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Texas, and Oklahoma. Um, So I probably will be live tomorrow as well for that. And so yeah, let's go back to this now. To covering all these storms over here that we're currently monitoring. Um, we still got these storms starting to enter near Columbus at the current moment. Tons of thunder effect, frequent lightning as well. Let's see. West Jefferson, Hillard, Upper Arlington, Grandview Heights, Columbus, Bexley, Whitehall, Gahanna, and Reynoldsburg. It's where this one will head off towards, based on the track I just put on this is, and it's moving east at 45 miles per hour as well. And I'm looking at it, so we'll monitor it. Let's see. Do I need to change anything with the warning counts? And yes, I do. Still not very concerned about the storm in Xenia yet. But we still got this one tornado warning up at the moment. Millersburg, Sugar Creek, Strasburg, Beach City, and Holmesville, and Guamont, and Killbuck area will get hit by this storm as well, and Butler and Glenmont. Let's check out some terminal radars to see what's going on with some of these other storms. Seeing if they're doing it, if they're trying to do anything suspicious. And the terminal radar out of Columbus, which is looking um, 1,000 feet up or something, like kind of far up, is seeing a little bit of rotation. They're Plain City and Powellville. Not Powellville, Powell, area. The terminal seems to be showing some rotation with it, so we'll watch that closely. But the Wilmington radar on it, if I go check that out, it like will not show rotation on it. Because if I look here, it won't. That's not going to show up any rotation. So the terminal radar kind of did show an area of rotation on it. Still monitoring this storm over here that just passed by Xenia. Um, even though it's not doing anything yet, it just formed. It's still producing some rainfall and thunder and lightning with it and heavy rain. tornado warning still continues to be in effect for Richland, Ashland, and Knox counties in Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And it's still radar indicated, and it was located near Belleville, or 11 miles north of Mount Vernon. Still moving east at 50 miles per hour, so still moving pretty quickly. Oh my! Seems like a strong tornado moved right through uh, Bucyrus, Ohio about 1 hour ago. No tornado debris signature associated with this due to the radar scanning higher here. Two-story home was reported to have been blown off its foundation, with other homes damaged as well. A two-story home blown off its foundation. What the heck? That's in Crawford County, Ohio. So I think that is Crawford County. That's like, let me get some, let me try to find what county Crawford is in. Ashland, Morrow, Knox, and Holmes, and then we got Crawford County. I don't know what county that's in. We'll have to figure that out. Where Crawford County, Ohio is, but that's a report I'm hearing about there out of Crawford County. Of a two-story home blown off its foundation. I'm gonna have to figure out Crawford County. Um, hold on a second. First, I'm gonna have to find the town name so I can see where that is, so I know where Crawford County is located. Okay, oh, that's that's near that's near Marion. That's a county away from Marion. Believe it or not, that's actually a county away from Marion. Let's look at the power. Let's see how many people have had power in this area, in that area. Because that's concerning hearing that report there that I just saw. 3,000 without power there. Yikes. So it's up near. It's near It's right here. So the town is right here, and the two-story home was reportedly blown off blown off its foundation, which is not good. So hopefully everyone's okay in that area from that one. Um, 64-mile per hour wind gusts reported 4 miles northeast of Marion, in Marion County, Ohio, and then a wind damage report out of Marion County, which is 3 miles southwest of Marion. Tree and utility poles are down in that count in the county. So Marion, Ohio, there's damage reported, like trees and utility poles down, and a report of 64-mile-per-hour wind gusts there from the ASOS station. A non-furnished from wind gusts from Franklin County, Ohio, 46-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported out just outside of this complex of storms here that's heading in to the Metro Columbus area at this given time. But Columbus area, you're getting hit by a strong storm now. This is on top of. This is about to be on top of Worthington. But yeah, a report out of Bucerius area, that right here, says a two-story home was blown off its foundation, which is concerning. So I don't know if that's true or not. We'll have to wait and see and find out. But if that's true, then hopefully everyone is okay in that general area. I mean, look here. I'm trying to figure something out. I don't even know what I'm trying to do here. Not, it's not that. Something else here. Okay, before Isaac came in for my has not came in for my W's for free, but there is a report of that. So we'll keep an eye on that report there. AFK for a second. Y'all, I'm in the stream here. That was just a quick severe weather coverage there. I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's live stream for more severe weather expected. Um, so yeah, you have a good rest of y'all's day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.